We see that Tesla's shares are rising nicely today, and this reaction occurred just as they reached a critical support area that could act as a catalyst for Tesla to resume its long-term uptrend. Of course, it is still too early to tell, but the recent price action looks promising. So let's study Tesla's shares together. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So right here, right now, we see that Tesla is stabilizing above a support level, the $212, which was August 18th's bottom over here. So the timing for this reaction couldn't be better because we are trading around a clear support level, and there are many other support levels in this area over here. We are gonna talk about these support levels later, but the timing for this reaction is just perfect. Of course, not everything over here is amazing, is incredible, is extremely bullish, because Tesla still has to face many resistance levels in order to reverse the bearish sentiment. Because as far as I know, Tesla triggered a head and shoulders chart pattern. We made a lower high, lower low, and as long as we see the pattern of lower highs, lower lows, the trend will not officially reverse. In addition to that, we see many other resistance levels on Tesla. We see a resistance around the 240, the previous neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. We see the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, which is pointing downwards, by the way, and we see this gap area over here, $242. So as far as I know, this is why, although this reaction looks promising, this is it. It looks promising. We don't see a meaningful, incredible bullish reversal structure yet, because as far as I know, Tesla could bounce to this resistance level before dropping all the way down to its next support levels again. So everything, all of our questions will be answered when Tesla reaches this resistance area over here. If we see a top signal, that might be a quite dangerous signal. However, if we break this resistance area, then Tesla will truly turn bullish again, mid-term speaking, on the daily chart. Now, on the weekly chart, the situation is different. On the weekly chart, we are not bearish at all. However, before we talk about Tesla's weekly chart, let's talk about the indices over here, because we see that SPY is also reacting right around its support area over here. We closed it, this gap, $422. Right now we see a support level over here. SPY almost lost this support area, and right now we are trying to bounce again. Just as we see many resistance levels on Tesla, we also see other resistance levels on SPY. $431, the 21 EMA over here, the $437. These are all key resistance levels on SPY, and only if SPY breaks these resistances over here, we might see something new going on. But right now, as far as I know, we are just looking weak. We don't see any meaningful bullish reversal structure, especially because SPY lost the support level of this ascending channel, meaning the bullish bias is definitely weaker. So we gotta see a real, very good, meaningful bullish reversal structure in order to convince me, at least, that SPY is going to turn bullish again, truly bullish again. Of course, bounces are acceptable, and we can take advantage. We can take advantage of these bounces, but right now, I don't see any meaningful, incredible bullish reversal structure on SPY. We see a bottom signal on QQQ. We just reached a support area made by this red line, $354. We are reacting nicely, but just as seen on Tesla, just as seen on SPY, we see a few resistances over here. The 21 EMA, $362. The previous top level around $373 over here. These are all key points that QQQ must break in order to truly fly again. And in this scenario, tech stocks are going to look very good. You may say that there is a descending trend line over here, and I totally agree. There is a crystal clear descending trend line over here. Maybe this looks like a descending triangle chart pattern, right? And only a true breakout is going to bring something new on QQQ. Right now, we are just trading inside this triangle over here, and there is no meaningful information suggesting that we are gonna see an upwards breakout or a downwards breakout. Similarly, we see that Tesla is trading around a support level good. This reaction is promising. Yes, it is very promising, but Tesla has yet to break a few resistances before it can turn truly bullish again. On the weekly chart, the trend is still bullish. Long-term speaking, the trend is still bullish. And you may say, and I'm not gonna disagree with you if you say that, oh, but Nathan, we see a trend line over here connecting the previous top levels on Tesla 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So Tesla is not that bullish right now, long-term speaking. What's more, we made a lower high. We made a bottom, and then this high over here was lower than the previous one. And right now we are on the verge of losing this support level. Yes, you are right. We made a lower high. We are still below this purple trend line over here. There are bearish arguments over here. But long-term speaking, you gotta remember that an uptrend is made of ascending tops and bottoms, while downtrends are made of descending tops and bottoms. On the weekly chart, although we are still below many resistance levels over here, not only this purple trend line, but the $300, $314, $414, the all-time high. We are still below many resistance levels, but Tesla is following the pattern of ascending tops and bottoms. Yes, we made a lower top. However, we have yet to make a lower bottom over here. We are not triggering a clear bearish reversal structure yet because Tesla is still trading above many support levels. The $217, we are trading around the support level. We are not above 217 yet, but we might be soon. We are trading above the $212, the previous support level as seen on the daily chart over here from August 18. And we are still above the 208, the $208, which was a previous top level on March this year. So this area, this entire area between the 217 and the 208 is a support area. All right, Tesla is still working between this area inside this support level, and we are trying to react. On the weekly chart, we are up plus 2.24% right now. But of course, everything could change because it is still Tuesday. But if Tesla actually confirms a bottom level over here on the weekly chart around such meaningful support level, I do believe that we might see something new, at least a bounce to higher levels, maybe to close this gap over here, $242. I don't know. I don't need to know in order to trade properly. And although the situation looks quite complex on Tesla, on Spy, QQQ, and many other stocks, we can still trade these stocks. And if you want to keep in touch with my signals, just join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. You will have access to my buy and sell signals, to my auto trading signals, which are quite reliable. By the way, they have a very high accuracy, more than 80% accurate. And of course, you will have access to many other trading strategies, risk management tips, and much more. So just join our Telegram channel if you want to trade with us. The QR code is right here. The link is in the fixed comment as well. Now, back to Tesla. In my humble opinion, we could bounce all the way up around the $240, and then we'll see. Then we'll see if Tesla will truly turn bullish or not. And of course, we gotta pay attention to the weekly chart as well, because depending on the reaction seen over here, that might be a very good signal, because last time Tesla traded around this support level, we saw a crystal clear above the stomach candlestick pattern, which was described in details on our Telegram channel as well. So maybe we're gonna see something new over here, maybe not. It all depends on how Tesla is going to react around the next resistance levels. And of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, so just subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis on Tesla, Spy, QQQ, etc. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.